Hey guys, so it's been a while since I posted a makeup video and a few of you guys have been requesting me to do more makeup videos. So here is my fall makeup look and I wanted to do something darker and grungier, so let's just go ahead and get into it. The first thing I applied was moisturizer, sunscreen, and also some primer. And then after that, I'm using my favorite foundation. This one's from Revlon, and I just like this because it's matte, and I actually have a problem with my skin getting a little bit oilier throughout the day. So I like this matte foundation. It's my go-to. It's been my staple product for the past few months. And then after that, I'm just using a concealer and then a sponge to blend out that concealer. Next, I'm just setting that foundation and concealer with a powder, and I'm just applying this very lightly, and then I'm going to move on to contouring. So I have a palette from Tarte, and I really love this palette. I'm going to have all the products listed down below in the description bar, but I'm just using that palette to contour my face, also my nose, and then add a little bit of highlight to the tip of my nose and my cheekbones, and then I'm moving on to this peach blush. This is the Papa Don't Peach Blush, and this also has been my go-to. I love this product. I've been wearing it every day for a while. It's just my go-to. And then I've just used a setting spray to set everything, again with my sponge. Then I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows, and I like to brush out my brows first, then add some color and a little bit of brow gel. And then I'll just go back to my first brush that I was using and just brush it out again just to help form and keep the shape. So after my brows, I'm moving on to my eyelids, and I'm just using an eyeshadow base. And then the palette that I'm going to be using today is from Urban Decay, and it's the Naked Heat palette. And I think this palette is the ideal fall palette. This is perfect. It just has some very beautiful autumnal colors in it. And the first shadow I'm using is Ounce, and I'm just sweeping that all over my lid, brow bone, and also the inner corners of my eyes. Then I've grabbed Sauce, and I've also mixed that with Lumber, and I'm pushing that more towards the center of my eyes and also the outer corners of my eyes. And then after that, I'm using He Devil, and I have my eyeliner brush out for this. And I think He Devil is kind of a burnt orange. It's like a dark orange color, and it's definitely bolder than the other two colors I've just been putting on. And I'm placing that on my bottom lash line, and I'm also going to add it to the outer corners on the top of my eyelids. And I'm just going to smudge it out a little bit and make it more of a smoky look. And moving on to eyeliner, I've been using a liquid eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics, and I like this because it has a felt tip, and I think that's easier to control the product. And I think this is probably one of the easiest liquid eyeliners I've ever worked with. So I really like this product, and this video is not sponsored, but I'm going to put all the products down below in the description bar. And I'm also going to add a lid to the outer corners of my eyes because I just like that kind of vampier look for fall, like a darker grungy look. And anyway, after that, I've curled my eyelashes and I've just applied some mascara. But yeah, if you guys would like to see another fall tutorial, just let me know. For some reason, I think it's just really fun to play with different colors for fall and especially winter, just getting into darker colors. Anyway, I've just applied some eyelashes and that makes such a difference. So the last thing I'm going to apply is this lipstick from Urban Decay. This is just one of their cream lipsticks from their Cherry line, and this one is actually in the shade Cherry. So I like this lipstick because it's buildable, and I think, again, it's perfect for fall. And this is the finished makeup look. Again, I hope you guys like it. I realize this is a shorter video, and I did not mean to do that. I meant for this video to be longer, but for some reason when I film makeup tutorials or when I edit them, I like to edit quite a bit out just to get to the point. But let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!